Here is how I wire my butt connectors. First, we're going to strip it. And the strip, I do just enough to make it to that center mark. Crimp it nice and tight. Give it a good test. It's good and snug. If I hadn't already, I would slide my shrink tube over it. I like to use a marine shrink tube because it has glue on the inside. I'm just going to use the other side of this. Strip the other wire I would be using the same manner. Slide it in. Sure snug. Shrink tube over to center. And I heat it up until the glue starts coming out each end.